Hey there, AI enthusiasts! Are you ready to unlock the next level of artificial intelligence? Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a groundbreaking book that's destined to reshape the AI landscape, Agent Zero, The Ultimate Autonomous AI Agent by Michael E. Kirsten, PhD. Imagine an AI framework so advanced, it can automate the most complex tasks across any industry. That's Agent Zero for you. This book dives deep into the core components of Agent Zero, from natural language processing and dynamic task handling to real-time code execution. Let's talk applications. Picture Agent Zero streamlining healthcare operations, optimizing financial models, and revolutionizing manufacturing processes. Yep, it's that versatile. Michael E. Kirsten has crafted a comprehensive guide that covers technical aspects, real-world applications, and exciting future developments. Whether you're a seasoned AI professional or just getting started, this book has something for everyone. Now let's see Agent Zero in action. Imagine automating a software development pipeline. Code written, tested, and deployed in real time. Or, how about a smart home system that anticipates your needs before you even realize them? And in the business world, Agent Zero analyzes real-time data to provide actionable insights instantly. But that's not all. Agent Zero, the ultimate autonomous AI agent, also tackles the ethical considerations of AI, ensuring we're building a future that's not only intelligent but also responsible. Check out this sleek 3D render of the book cover. It's not just a manual, it's a ticket to the future of AI. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the future of AI. Get your copy of Agent Zero, the ultimate autonomous AI agent on Amazon now. Stay curious and keep innovating.